What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This is actually something I'm working on just for myself, but thought I might as well go and record it and let you guys see. So, first, this is an indicator that I just built. Basically, basically just a volume. The green line is all the green candle volumes, red line is red candle volumes, and yellow is the sum of both. And basically all of those adds it up on the last input candles. So the last 50 candles, it's green, adds it to the bullish volume, it's red, adds it to the bearish volume, and yellow adds them together. Then I have a weight, which is slightly working. Not really though. Not really sure why. But basically the weight is so that the more recent candles have more of a influence on the value. So here's the indicator. I'll probably just send this to the code section in the Discord, just because I already have it built. But basically, all we do is loop through the candles. If it's a buy candle, if it's green, we add the volume to the bullish volume, and then we multiply that by the current weight. So in theory, the weight should be, right, we put in, say, 100 divided by candles minus 1. Not sure why there's a minus 1, but ChatGPT did that for me. It actually should make 0 difference. So, right, weight is 5, candles is, we'll just say 10. So our increment weight should be 0.5. And our current weight should be our weight, since we started at I equals 0. And since we're starting at the first candle we're doing this operation on is the one we want to have the most weight. So we start at weight, right? We said, 5 minus increment is 0.5, but for the first candle, I is 0. So this will be 0. So weight, it'll just be weight equals what we inputted, which was 5. So current weight equals 5, right? So we multiply the volume by 5. Then on the next iteration, when I equals 1, now we do increment rate weight, which is 0.5 times 1. So we're doing weight minus 0.5 gives us 4.5, and then we're multiplying that. And so that's how it should be incrementing down. And each candle farther away from the most recent should be worth less. But for some reason, it's just not. It's just making a very small difference. It's not really making a difference. So for now, I'm going to just leave it. I'm going to be doing more stuff with this indicator later. So for now, it's fine. I'll go ahead and comment out these. And I'll compile that and then make sure to send that over. So that's how the indicator works. And then basically, this is just the beginning of what I'm thinking, but kind of just going to be like an SMA, right? Red crosses over green, we sell, crosses below green, or green crosses above red, then we buy. And yeah. So that is where the strategy comes in. So just go to strategies, right click, new strategy, and I already have it. Here's the strategy. I just needed a volume sum V1. And now we are working on the strategy here. So actually, I want to do that now before I forget. So version got that exported. Now there it is. And yeah, you should be able to just import that. Yeah. Alright, so now you should have that. First thing I did is this. Next we are going to do else if state equals data loaded. Then we're going to add chart indicator of all sum. First we actually need to do all sum equals volume sum. We need the candles and the weights. So we're going to do candles and weights. Now in our properties, just change the name to candles and weights. So we got that. Now we can also optimize on what is the best values for the indicator. So it's going to be very simple for now. If current bar is less than bars required to trade, then we return. Now if vol sum dot, yes, there's bare volume, right? Okay, so good. We can call those. We're going to do if cross above um, so if the cross above vol sum dot full volume, so that crosses above vol sum dot bare volume, one candle back, and we enter long. Let's see, what is this error for? Alright. And we actually also want to exit short. If, else if, cross below, if the, let's see, no, actually they're both going to be cross above. Right, I'm going to do two things. One, we don't want to buy, right? Technically the red is crossing above the green here, but we don't want to buy, or we don't want to sell there. So we're going to make sure that's also rising. So cross above full volume, cross above the bare volume, and vol sum dots. Full volume dot is oh, I forget what it is, but there's something just is rising. So we're gonna open the documentation. That's not it. It is rising. I'll put it in front. And is rising Yeah, that just makes sure that it's rising, basically. Then we will interlog. Now we're going to do the exact same, but for ourselves. So still crossing above. Vol sum dot fair volume, vol sum dot dot full volume 0, 1, and is rising fair volume. And we enter short and we exit long. Alright, this should be enough just to get the thing running. So let's compile that and get it onto the chart. Add, added, strategies, enable, and indicators, move the other one. Alright, so, oh yeah, I also want to do something, like I only want it to trade, I mean, yeah, when the volume is high, not in this, you know. Alright, so let's see. So here we sold, then we bought, divided pretty good. Not really sure what's going on. It looks like sell only profit, buy got wrecked. Let's see, like that is, I really wouldn't want to trade that. I want to be taking this, right, when the buy volume is increasing. And just happened in this case it did not have worked out. Here I wanted to buy, but we were already in a buy. Alright, so it looks like it's not profitable. That's gonna be my guess. Yeah, definitely not. So could just add that like after 8:30. Yeah, let's just do 8 for now. So if 2 times 0 is less than 8:30, then we return. Okay, yeah, that looks better. We got a buy, came up a little. Then we got our exit on and our sell. Sell. Here we got a nice sell. Here we got a nice sell, but then came back. And yeah, eventually I want to get a strategy that also is going to kind of like, it might be hard to do because, you know, looking back on it, 2020 vision. But like once we get a peak and it's like we don't break that, so basically the volume is just declining. Maybe it should have a way to exit. What we can do if 5 candles and the bearish volume has declined, and we exit. So maybe we can exit somewhere here, somewhere down here, not all the way down here. I also want to do, since it's volume and it's kind of the idea is of it being the whole direction. Also, you can add like a grid type of thing. So the whole way down, as long as the bearish volume is increasing, we just keep taking more positions. And same thing for buys. I don't like that. But a little better. But yeah, I think there's something that can be done with this strategy or with this idea. So the main reason of making it just like this is I just wanted to see what the best settings are for just the best settings for this to kind of get the most accurate. And so hopefully this can help us. So we'll do 10 to 100 by 10. Geez, the weight. Let's do 0 to 10,000 by 500. Ooh. MNQ on the 1 minute. So yeah. So there's nothing really special about this. It's just I just want to see what settings look like they might be good. Also, I want to check something that doesn't have as strong as a cash session as NQ. Gold kind of does. We could even do just like if the volume is greater than the other and is rising, I feel definitely got a and is rising. Yeah, I think the exit will definitely be good. Of like if no new peak is made after whatever 5 candles, and we exit. So like in this case, it would have been, I mean, maybe the peak was there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The peak value or the bearish volume is coming down. Now we exit here. And same thing here. Like we have our bullish volume comes up, we make a peak, right? Starts to come down. We exit somewhere in here. Make a peak, starts to come down, exit. And then another thing I want to work on is a stochastics, or no, not a stochastic, an oscillator. I want to do, yeah, basically just take the red and the green lines and create an oscillator out of it so that it's a little easier to see, like when it's above the middle line, right? Oh, buying volume is way in control. When it's below, seller volume is way in control. So this optimization is going to take a while, so I'm just going to end the video here, and I will make sure to post the settings I end up using in the Discord as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments on what you think I should do. This is just something I'm playing around with. Gonna see if I can make something out of it, but so far I like how it's looking. So looks like this might crash.
Connection lost.
Lost connection. That was weird. Alright, well yeah. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.